Hello students, today in this video we are going to learn about this chapter which is as Heron's formula. Now Heron's formula, of course you'll know it is given by Heron. Okay, that is why it's Heron's formula. Now why Heron's formula is needed, or why Heron's formula is important in mathematics. Now before learning that one, we know area of a triangle. Area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Now this half into base into height, it becomes easier for us when it is a right angle triangle. We know this is the base and this is the height, or otherwise you can take it reverse way. You can take this as base and this will be the height. So it is easier to find out the area of that triangle. And in case, say if it is an isosceles triangle, or it can be an equilateral triangle, okay, for those we don't have here we don't have the height. So what we generally do, we draw a perpendicular. Okay, we draw a perpendicular from the vertex like this. We draw a perpendicular from the we draw a perpendicular from the vertex like this, and then we try to find out the base and then the height, the base and the height, and then we use this formula, area of a triangle equal to half into base into height. But if it is the case of this triangle, we know it will be, the height will be from here to here, you have to draw, okay, and this will be the height. So base will be only from here to here, okay. Then we have to find the height and then the base, and then we have to find out the area of a triangle. Now this becomes, when it is not a right angle triangle, it becomes a bit problematic or a bit tricky to find out the area of a triangle. Now what Heron's formula will help us, how it will help us, is that you can find out the area of a triangle, area of any triangle, if you know the measure of the three sides. That means you can find out the area of a triangle with the help of its with the help of the measure of the three sides. Okay, you can find out the area of a triangle with the help of the three sides. Here if you take this A, this B and this as C, for this you need to find the value of S, which is the semi perimeter, and we know the perimeter is A plus B plus C, adding all the sides and divided by 2. When you do, you will get the semi perimeter. That means half of the perimeter is the semi perimeter. So you need to find, you need to know the values of A, the sides A, B and C, and the semi perimeter S, and with the help of this we can find out the area of a triangle. Okay, it is given by Heron, so it is known as Heron's formula. Okay, see, the area of a triangle is given here. The area of a triangle is given by Heron as this one: square root of S minus A, square root of S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. All you have to put in a square root, where this S is the semi perimeter and A, B and C are the sides of the triangle. Semi perimeter, I told you, we have to add all the sides divided by 2. That means half the perimeter. This way we can find out the area of a triangle. Although you can go through this all, how you can find the area of an equilateral triangle by drawing this perpendicular. Okay, and you can find out the area of an isosceles triangle, same, by drawing a perpendicular from the vertex. Okay, from the top on top vertex. But it becomes complicated. So Heron gave us this formula known as the Heron's formula, which is this one, and with the help of this you can always find the area of any triangle if you know the three sides of the triangle. Likewise, by using this we can go for the exercise. Okay, some questions are given, you see, find the area, sides are given, this one perimeter is given. Okay, like that you will be given here also for an equilateral triangle. Okay, then you can go for the exercise. One more thing you can find out as a, just to remember, for an for an equilateral triangle, how to find out the, you have to memorize that one. Area of an equilateral triangle is, remember, root 3 by 4 a square. How to do? See, if you assume all the sides to be small a, you know, a equilateral triangle has its all sides equal, take it as small a. Okay, and you know s will be a plus a plus a plus a plus a divided by 2, that means it will be 3a by 2. Yes, it will be 3a by 2. This is a 3a by 2. So s is 3a by 2. Now what you need to do, you need to find out the area. Area of the equilateral triangle will be s minus a, s, then s minus a, then again s minus a, and then again s minus a. If you put the values, so it will be, instead of putting, you can write this as s minus a whole cube. Yes, then put the values. A is equal to, s is equal to 3a by 2, and yes, s means 3a by 2 minus a whole cube, and you know it will be square root of 3a by 2, and this will be a by 2 whole cube. Okay, so on doing this one, what will have, you will have 3a by 2 into a cube by 8, and you know what it will be, square root of 3 a to the power 4 by 16, and we know 3a to the power 4 by 16 means root 3 a square by 4. So area of an equilateral triangle is, you have to memorize, root 3 a square by 4. This is very important. Okay, you can use it later on for higher classes also. Even if you are asked directly, you can put this one. Thank you for watching the video. We'll go for the exercise.